In this video, we'll create a complex number class using ILOS. First, we define a class. Def class, complex. It has two slots, real part and imaginary part. We can access them using real part and imag part. Next, we define a function, complex. It takes two values, x and y, and creates an instance of the complex class. The values are converted to float. Now let's try it. Complex, 2, 3. This creates a new instance. We store it in a variable, cReal part of C returns 2.0. Imag part of C returns 3.0. With ILOS, you can define your own classes and handle data in an object-oriented way. It's simple, but very powerful for learning the basics.